Hi y'all! Welcome back to Vlogmas day number 17. In today's video, we are going back to our childhood roots. And we are making a snowman for the first time in, I don't want to say almost 10 years of my life, but it's been a long time. So let's get on a bit of snow gear and find some supplies and go make a snowman. I don't think I'm going to go too huge, but I thought maybe we'll make a snowman or something cute. I also had ideas out there of like maybe filming ice fishing or ice skating or sledding, but those might have to be non-Vlogmas videos because your girls has to rush on these. But anyway, let's get on some snow gear and go make a snowman. So I recently bought these really cute snow pants for like $7 at Goodwill. But those are at my work because I work in a childcare center. And I want to be able to play with the kids and not freeze in the cold at work. So instead of bringing those back and forth like every single day, I just decided I'm just going to leave them. I have a pair of black ones at home that aren't as cute, but they'll do the job. So let's put those on. Okay, here they are. We got some gapping, but you know what? They'll work. Let's tie them. Okay, next we need a jacket, so I have to go upstairs and grab my jacket. Okay, here is the jacket I mainly wear. Let's zip it up. And then I'll put boots on before I do gloves on. And then we'll put a hat. Because your girl wants to stay warm. I lost my other one of these gloves, whatever. So I have some gloves to layer up. But first, let's see if we can find any supplies before we get our boots and gloves on because things are harder to do when you're wearing gloves. Okay, we have a scarf. And then we have a little green Bass Pro Shop beanie. Red and green go together for Christmas colors, so we'll use it. And then we don't have carrots that I know of, so before it snows I thought maybe I can roll up an orange peel that I just peeled and see if we can make that work. And then I have these M&Ms left over, so I thought maybe green eyes and green buttons. Otherwise, I might look for rocks outside and then some twig branches for his arms. So let's get boots and gloves on and go make a snowman. I don't care if I'm 18, gonna be 19, we're making a snowman. Okay, we got some boots. Honestly, those looked kind of big, so I didn't know if they were mine, but I think they are. So we're putting them on our feet. Oh yeah. And then you always gotta tuck the snow pants in or over the boots so you don't get snow in them, otherwise you're gonna freeze fast. So I'm gonna do that quick. Okay, now we're gonna layer our gloves. There's pink ones in this too. These look kind of small though, but they'll work for today. Okay, we're just gonna put these ones on. They're thick enough, I hope. Ooh, we got the matchy. Okay, I think we're ready, so let's go outside. Hopefully the snow is snowmanable. Not so sure. Ooh, so cute. Okay, I think I'm gonna make him right around here. And look, y'all, do you see those twigs? I'm gonna have to go snatch those. Look at how good our snow is right now. Our snow is so mushable right now. I think it's gonna be great. Okay, we're just gonna bring this whole thing over. We'll make it work. I'm gonna see if I can prop you guys up against here. Let's make a baby snowman. Look at that. Okay. First you gotta make a ball and then you roll it more. Frosty the Snowman was a very jolly soul with a something and a something and a heart made out of gold. I don't know how it goes. The snow's yellow. Ah! I hope a dog didn't pee. Okay, we're gonna make him right here. Ooh, look at our base coming together. Okay. There's literally dog poop right here. Ew. Whatever. You don't care. You don't care. Okay. We can make him decent size. actually a really nice day. It's not too cold. This is real snow, by the way, if you didn't know. Okay, that's our base. Good enough. Okay, let's make our second one. It has to be slightly smaller. We gotta put snow in those crevices. You know what? We gotta make this bigger. Rounding it out. He's a little deformed. You know, he's not gonna be perfect. No one is, only God and Jesus, as we know. Let's put a little head. Just make those little bumps profound. I think the scarf's gonna be a little too big. A little too big. You know, he'll be actually more. Okay, the gloves have to come out. Let's put some in. Maybe if we pack some on them. He lost an eye. Okay, he's about to lose his head. We need a new one. Ah! Okay. Let's give him an orange peel nose. Okay. I think this hat's gonna be a little too big. Okay. Let's see if we can get him some twiggy hands. My video's about to die. Ah! Okay, I got a couple more minutes of storage. I almost stepped in dog poop. Whatever. Okay. He needs little twiggy hands. Like this. Okay. There! Let's give him some buttons. Ooh. Okay. Okay, y'all ready to see him? He's holding on for his dear life. Look. Aww, he has like a little blankie. We need a little hat for him. There. Is he cute? I wish I had like a little top hat that was so small. That would be so adorable. Like a doggy outfit. But I mean, he's chilling. Look at him. Hey, hey. He's chilling. Are we best friends? Anyway. I just broke one of his fingers off. Sorry, little dude. Anyway, y'all, this is going to conclude Vlogmas day number 17. I hope you enjoyed my little chaotic mini snowman making. If I wanted to and had the time and storage on my phone, I would make a huge snowman. But you know what? I think he turned out pretty cute. He's pretty good. So yes, that is going to conclude this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, y'all!